Hi, this is Andrew, and today I'll be reviewing this cordless bug zapper. I'm going to tell you why I prefer this bug zapper and actually share a few things to know before you buy. Now, full disclosure, this bug zapper was given to me, however, in no way will it affect my review or anything I say. So, let's dive in. This cordless bug zapper comes with a few things: a USB-C charging cord, a cleaning brush, and of course, directions on how to use it. So, let's charge it up before I actually demonstrate it to you. And the good news is that the charging only takes about an hour, and you know it's fully charged when you see the red light turn to green. Something I also really like about it is that it has an additional use besides just being a bug zapper, and that is that it can actually be turned into a light. For example, a patio light or a tent light or even an inside light at night in case you have a pesky mosquito in the home. It also has 3 different modes that you can select: the UV light mode, the LED light mode at 40% brightness, and the LED light mode at 100% brightness as well. Now, depending on which setting you have, the battery will last about 8 to 13 hours, as you can see here. Another good feature is the magnetic clip on top. This way you can actually hang it on the patio or on a tent if you wish. So let's go ahead, test out this bug zapper. The reason I'm most interested in having a bug zapper is that I like to sit out on the patio at night or in the mornings. However, if we're out here for long, we're going to start getting eaten alive by mosquitoes and other insects. So you can see now that I've actually placed the bug zapper near us, and even within the first few minutes of putting it out, I've noticed that the bugs were no longer attracted to me. However, I'm going to put it on auto mode and leave it out overnight, and then we'll come back and check it in the morning. By the way, auto mode it's really amazing as it detects light or sunlight and automatically shuts off. That way you can save the battery, but it keeps the bugs away at night. You can actually see how well the sensor works here when I simply cover it up with my finger, of course demonstrating night. Alright, so it's the next morning, and let's see how this bug zapper worked. And as you can tell, it looks like it did its job. I can see a few insects in there and also at the bottom. Now, I of course don't want to be staring at insects stuck to this bug zapper, right, all day or when I come out. So another thing that I really like is that it can be rinsed off with a hose or under the faucet. Just make sure the charging port is closed off with the rubber seal, and of course that it's turned off. Then you can run it underwater. This is especially helpful if the brush doesn't get everything off. Then that's where you simply, like I said, run it underwater, flush it out, and then let it dry and place it back out. So as you can see, I really like all of its functions and believe that this will be a really good addition to my home or my camping adventures, and can recommend it for you too. Enjoy!